us. And with one voice, let's all say بارك الله لكما وبارك عليكما وجمع بينكما في خير. بارك الله لكما وبارك عليكما وجمع بينكما في خير. From now you'll share all your joys, through hardships support each other, together worshiping Allah, seeking His pleasure. We pray that He will feed your life